Okay, let me start the model, start deploying it in real time. I think I've installed Django. If not, it's expected for you to type this code. You're supposed to type pip install Django. But I don't need to install it because I've done this installation before now in this system. I don't need to install it again. Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure it's there. So I have to go ahead to create a project. I have to go ahead to create a project. To create a project, I think I usually create this project in my desktop. Okay. So let me move to my desktop. Mhm. Let me move to my desktop. So I have to create a new project. Wow. See, Django is not recognized. Is Django not installed in this my system? Django is here now. Django dash admin dash version 4.2 point this. So why is it telling me that this is not? Start project. Okay. Deploy model. This model is, let me get the actual name to give this. I give it climate change. Climate change. Okay, it's not a valid name. Yeah, working fine, huh? I call it Django dash admin is a keyword. Start project is a keyword. Deploy model climate change. Climate change is crop yield is the name I gave the project. So we have now created a project. What we need to do now is we will navigate to the project. We have created a project. We will navigate to that project by using cd deploy model. So this is the long name. Deploy model climate changes crop yield. Yes, I've now moved to the project. I've now moved to the project. Yeah, well, the next thing is to create an app. I have to create an app with the same name, but I use app to differentiate it. You create app inside a project by using py manage.py start app, then the name of this app. I will call it deploy model climate changes crop yield app. Yeah, the app is created. The app is created. So what do we do now? We have to view the content of the app. To view the content of the app, you need to go to your desktop and double click on your app. Double click on your Django project name. Inside your Django project folder, you will see app folder. Double click to examine the content. Django creates a folder named Deploy Model Climate Changes. Deploy Model Climate Change Crop Yield app. Now, what do? You double click on that app to see the content. So what we need to do now is you go to the desktop, we look for where the content is the deploy app for climate. Where is created in the desktop. You see it. So you can see the content of the deploy folder app. So this is a project. You can see here I have a desktop. Inside my desktop, I have deploy model, climate change, crop yield. Now you have another folder. This is the same folder with this is the same with the project folder. Then this one is the app folder. So you can actually see the content of the app you created. You can see the content of the app you created. So this is the content of the app created. So you can try running the project by typing python manage.py. Run server. You can actually type python space manage.py space run server. You can actually type it to run the server. So we need to run the server. Python space manage.py run server press enter. Yeah, system checker define no issue, zero silence. So the server is running. If you copy this to this URL to the web browser, you will see it open. So you have to copy this URL, the web browser. So you go to Chrome, open a web browser, try to paste this URL, press enter. Wow, the install worked successfully. Congratulations, Django. Django 4.2. Our server is working fine. So let's continue. Let's continue. We'll continue with our coding. So since the URL was able to display and tell us congratulations, it then means that everything is working fine, very fine. So Django views are Python functions that takes HTTP requests and returns HTTP response like HTML documents. A web page that uses Django is full of views with different tasks and missions. Views are usually put in a file called view.py. So it is located in your app folder. There is a view.py in your app folder. So you see the contents of the view.py. We're going to replace the contents with our own code. So when you double click on the view.py, it is going to open in VS Code. It's going to open in VS Code. Yeah, we're using different tools to achieve our goal. So you can see the content in VS Code. And see the content in VS Code. The only thing you see there is from Django.shortcuts import render create your view here. That is all you need to. So, and you have to replace it with your own code. So all we need to do is to type our own codes. I will just have to get an existing code I've written already. And replace it. Then I will begin to edit with my own code. Now we get back to fixing these codes. We'll get back after fixing these codes. Thank you for participating. Watch out for the next video.